Get ready to unleash the beast with MSI's latest flagship motherboard, the MEG X870E Godlike. This isn't just a motherboard. It's a powerhouse that's engineered to deliver unparalleled performance and versatility. First off, let's talk about the heart of this beast, the AMD Ryzen 9000 processor support. With the new Core Boost architecture and 110A SPS, the X870E Godlike is the perfect canvas for your high-performance build. Plus, with DDR5 memory capable of speeds over 9000 plus MT/s, you'll be able to squeeze every last drop of performance out of your processor. But what really sets this board apart is its advanced cooling system. With the wavy fin design, direct touch cross heat pipe, and thermal pads strategically placed to keep your components cool, you can be confident that your system will run smoothly even under extreme loads. Now, let's talk about the features that make this board more than just a performance powerhouse. The MEG X870E Godlike comes with a range of premium features, including Wi-Fi 7, 10G LAN, USB 4, and PCIe 5.0, giving you the fastest storage and connectivity options available. But it's not just about raw power. The X870E Godlike also has a range of customizable features, including a 3.99-inch LCD display and a dynamic dashboard. Plus, with the Easy Slide M.2 system, upgrading your storage has never been easier. So, what do you get when you combine a high-performance processor, advanced cooling system, and cutting-edge features like Wi-Fi 7 and PCIe 5.0? You get a motherboard that's truly in a league of its own. Don't just build a PC. Build a beast with the MSI MEG X870E Godlike. Upgrade now and take